Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wasallam, he's telling the Sahaba this story. He said there were two men from Bani Israel. They used to be very close. One of them is mujtahid, working hard to become better in his deen, striving, and the other sinful. And the one who is striving to be better, he used to tell the person sinning, stop. And the other guy did not listen. So one of these days, he saw the sinner in the sin, committing the sin. Stop. The Mudhnib said, leave me and my Lord. Have you been assigned as a watchman over me? The Mujtahid got upset and said, by Allah, Allah is not going to forgive you and He's not going to let you into Jannah. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala took both their souls and they are now in front of Allah Azza wa Jal. So Allah told the one who's striving, the one who's working hard to be better in his deen, you know about me? Are you in charge of what I can do? And then Allah looked at the one who's sinning, Udkhulil Jannah bi rahmati, enter the Jannah with my rahmah, and you go to the hellfire. Abu Hurairah said, he have uttered a word, the mujtahid, that ruined his dunya and his akhirah. One of the biggest haram, ya akhwan, that many people belittle it, is to speak about Allah or about His Prophet without any knowledge. Few lessons, inshallah. Number one, ask Allah always, ya akhwan, husn al-khatimah. This man was mujtahid. Rasulullah ﷺ called him mujtahid, striving, and he wound up in the hellfire. Don't be fooled by your a'mal. Al-a'mal bil-khawatim. Actions are judged by the way they end. Always beg Allah to give you a good end. Allahumma rzuqni husn al-khatimah. Ya Allah, bless me with husn al-khatimah. Make my last deeds my best deeds. And final point, subhanallah, alhamdulillah, that Allah Azza wa Jal did not give the key of Jannah to us. Alhamdulillah that Allah did not make us the ones who will judge one another on the day of judgment. قُلْ لَوْ أَنْتُمْ تَمْلِكُونَ خَزَائِنَ رَحْمَةَ رَبِّي إِذَنْ لَأَمْسَكْتُمْ خَشْيَةَ الْإِنفَاقِ. Allah said in Surah Al-Isra, if you own the rahmah of Allah, you will be stingy. The people will be stingy. So alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen, that the one who's judging us on the day of judgment is the most merciful, is more merciful than our own mothers. So ya akhwan, just be very careful when you talk about the deen, and at the same time, when we are making da'wah, the goal is not to show off and tell the guy that I am better than you. The goal is to bring back the guy to the deen. The person I'm talking to, I want to bring him to the deen. It's not about just a debate and argument. Ordering good and forbidding evil is a wajib upon every single Muslim, but there are etiquettes. Number one, you have to be knowledgeable of what you're ordering and what you're forbidding. And by the way, you don't have to be a alim. You don't have to be a scholar with so many degrees to tell people, pray. Rasulullah ﷺ told us, بَلِّغُوا عَنِّي وَلَوْ آيَةً. Convey even one ayah, subhanallah. Luqman, when he's giving the nasiha to his son, he said, order good, establish salat, order good and forbid evil, wasbir. Because the minute you start telling people what to do or giving them advices, you're going to face difficulty. They're going to attack you. You're not going to be liked anymore. So you have to be patient.
Are you tired of all these annoying ads on YouTube? Are you worried that a haram video might pop up? Well, the One Islam TV app is here to solve these problems, inshallah. The One Islam TV app is 100% free of any ads and is safe to browse for your peace of mind. Watch or listen to lectures and lessons while you work, rest, or drive with your device switched off. Watch videos on demand or download videos and watch offline. Watch hundreds of high-quality produced Islamic reminders, Quran learning videos, stories of the prophets, and so much more. 2 to 4 new videos uploaded daily, inshallah. One Islam TV is 100% run and owned by Muslims, which means a small amount you pay for your subscription is a SADAQAH JARIYAH, continuous charity for you, as we use the funds raised to continue producing more beneficial videos and reminders, inshallah. The One Islam TV app is now available on Apple devices, Apple TV, Android devices, Android TV, Amazon Fire TV, and Roku, so you can watch on most devices and smart TVs. Download now for a free 7-day trial. May Allah reward you for supporting our work.